We're back. The match has been continued. And John has been pedigreed. He's pinned. They're both laying down. I think John is like in a concussion. Paul, I think, is dead. Paul's moving. Paul's getting up. The pedigree. Here we go, the pedigree.
My foot.
As the fans shout, pin him. Pin him, pin him, pin him, pin him.
1, 2. You will not make me give up.
Paul is like passed out. John has, I don't know what he has done. He just did something though.
No. Holy shit. Oh.
In my opinion, sounds like a monkey. And there it is, a rope break. Foot in the mouth. I think this is disgusting.
You'll never make me give up or pin me.
Pin him, pin him, pin him, pin him. Pin him.
Give up yet? No. You'll never make me give up.
And he's like,
What if I do this? Can't use my left leg. I think it's broken.
as the crowd chants, John, pin him, pin him, pin him, pin him. This is a very boring moment. Paul is getting up. Pedigree. Now does Paul give up? Now does John give up? Say yes or no.
No. You can tap out if you want to. No. Then get out of it if I dare you. You'll never get out of this. Tap out now. No. make me. I'm gonna make myself get an adrenaline rush. You'll never make me. The announcer hasn't said anything in hours.
They are down. This match has been going on for at least 5 minutes and 34 seconds. And now, Paul stands up, or knees up. He goes down, he knees up, he stands, nope. He's trying to stand up, he stands up. John's on the ground.
Was that about how you're going to beat me this week? You're never going to beat me. I'm never going to give up. You're too much of a big, bad... I've been beating your ass this whole time. You can't beat me.
Now they're getting dirty. They're yelling at each other. Calling each other names.
You can't beat me up. Well, that's because you're a big, fat, big, I'll beat your ass up. No, you won't. If you're gonna beat my ass up, why aren't you standing? Honey, I hope I fucking stand up. My leg. Oh.
I think Paul has been killed. Now does he give up?
No.
Now, does John give up?
Rope break.
There's a rope break.
One, two, you can't hit me, you can't beat me, you can't, holy crap, You're gonna have to beat me up.
Just pin him!
You're gonna have to beat me up a lot more than that. Bless you, by the way. Rope break. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are big, fat, bear. Oh, what's happening?
Now, does Paul give up?
1, 2. One, two.
Now, does Paul give up?
No.
John?